Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today on 2 Minutes at the Beach. Today we're going to go somewhere a little bit different and we're going to take a look at our cliffs. Now cliffs are very common on UK beaches and are a super important part of our coastlines. They provide shelter, they provide protection from storms, they provide food and homes for flora and fauna. They come in all different shapes and sizes too. But they all have one thing in common, they're all eroding. I'm here at the base of what was until fairly recently a majestic cliff in North Cornwall, but as you can see, it's crumbling, it's falling apart, and it's forever changed the landscape of both the beach and the cliff top. You may well be asking yourself, why did this happen? Well, I'm going to tell you. Our climate is changing, and with this we're seeing more extreme storms, more changeable weather, more extreme temperatures. One of the effects of climate change is increased rainfall, which makes the top of the cliff heavier, and I'm going to demonstrate this with a rock. Now imagine the heavier cliff top combined with waves lapping away at the bottom of the cliff. And when the storms come and make the waves stronger and stronger, eventually gravity will take over and the cliff will crumble onto the beach. So you can do this experiment at home if you want to as well. You could use, for example, flour or mud or something similar. Now it's evident that climate change is contributing to the erosion of our cliffs, and there are all sorts of things that we can do to not add to the climate change problem. My top tip is if you're going somewhere, consider whether you could walk or cycle, skate or scoot, perhaps even use public transport. On a food side of things, consider getting locally grown food instead of food from a long way away. For example, eat a delicious apple from this country rather than a banana from a long, long way away. So clearly we all have our part to play. Small acts add up to make a big difference. See you again for more 2 Minutes on the Beach.